What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I bought something I couldn't pass up and I really need your guys' help with this one. Yes, it's a project car. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so got a special project that I got from Northern California. My mother-in-law told me that, hey, come check out this car, and I was like, okay. I looked at it, ended up buying it, and feast your eyes on this thing. It just came in. Look at this thing. Woo! 72 Chevelle, dude. Look at this SS. So check it out inside. Look at that. Look at that. Power windows on this thing. I don't know about the velour, but dude, this thing is really clean. I'm really excited for this because I have a Chevelle right now currently, but it's in need of a lot of restoration. So I was like, you know what, this came about, it was pretty much done. I just have to do some cleanup on it. The motor runs good, but you know me, LS, I have an LS sitting for that one. I might switch it out, I don't know yet, we're gonna see. But let's get it unloaded in the trailer and we'll kind of do inspect. But it was like a barn find. I'll show you guys videos of that. But dude, it's here all the way up from Gridley, California, down here. Let's get it off the trailer. Let's see, give it a one pump. Whoa! Look at that thing, first try. Nice. Oh, wow, this is really spread. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this is so cool, man. Let's get it off the trailer, baby. Let's check this thing out. So she was a little bit low on gas, so we decided to drive her up to the gas station. Give her some nice fresh gas. It still has the dust. I mean, look at this thing. I'll show you guys, you know, in the video, but this was just in a garage covered up. You can see all the dust and stuff on this thing, but interior is pretty clean. I mean, door panels, the chrome's kind of like peeling off, but you can get new door panels, or I think I know an upholstery shop that might be able to fix it, maybe. But it's pretty cool, man. Get some gas in it and give it a quick drive. All right, so we made it back to the shop here so you guys get a full glimpse. I want to wash it too, kind of clean up the paint, but I mean overall, dude, this thing looks pretty clean. Let me show you guys. It has a little bit of something going on here, but yeah, look at this. Whoa, has some custom hinges, motor. It's like, I believe it's like a 350. It's pretty clean. Got a like polished parts. Wow, Edelbrock heads. I didn't know it had that. Has ceramic coated headers. Has some polished, some pretty good things on this thing. MSD ignition. I mean, this thing's pretty. I mean, like I said, look how it's just covered up and dusty. I mean, it has, you know, the original screen that goes in the front here. You know, got a dust, but little bare brakes on that. And some nice Foose wheels. Got some Falcon tires, and you know I love me some Falcon tires. But the body is pretty clean, guys. That's like the main thing. Like the interior's clean as well. I talked to Sang, oh, this was like the shit back in the day, like, oh, to have this, but I don't think I really like it. What do you think, Oscar?
At this point in our story, I think Saul is Dom and I'm Brian, because like, you know, at the end of the scene where like they're in Tokyo Drift, and then at the end of the movie and Dom pulls up, he's, I'm looking for my friend Han. He's like, oh, this is a nice American muscle. He's like, yeah, Han used to, like, and that's Saul is hard. Like, I know.
Nice ride.
I won it from my friend Han a few years ago.
I didn't know he was into American muscle.
He was when he was rolling with me.
he got a couple little surprises for you coming, but he just can't get away from American muscle. That has his heart. Hey,
what do you think though? Hey, you know I've been wanting to do my Chevelle, but it's
I'm like, thinking about it too. The motor's good on this too. I don't know if I would even touch it. Like, just clean it up, different wheels.
It's almost like it doesn't. You're like aluminum heads, you know, 350s.
I mean, you clean up the wiring, little bit of better stance, better wheels, another paint job, or even polish this one out for now. Yeah. You know, a little bit custom interior. That's your specialty, and then this is a fucking home run right now.
But what do you? I mean, but what LS3 would look good in there though?
I would get it looking right, and it drives, and you have fun with it. And at the end, if you like really want to do it. But I don't know.
This thing runs really good. I want you to take it for a drive. Like,
I will.
This thing's like pretty clean. So.
It looks good. I'd leave it. Ask the chat. Should he swap it or should just leave it?
What do you guys think?
Should we just clean this thing up, fix the wiring, make it look all the part, you know, get the wheels, stance it out, freaking do a nice interior, you know, and then just leave it? I mean, I don't know. It looks good to me.
We'll let them see what they think. So, like Oscar said, I think, comment below, tell me what you guys think. Should I leave it like this, swap the motor? It runs really good. So I'm gonna give it its first wash, see what she looks like without all this barn dust, and see if that paint cleans up. But dude, Chevelle, baby. Clean this thing up, dude. We knocked the dust off it. Man, it looks super clean. Look at this thing.
All right, Sal. A new one, isn't it? Feel good when you get a new project car, man.
Yeah, it's true. Like you said, like, it's that, like, the emotion you get when you get the first, like, what you're gonna do with it. And I really want you guys to be engaged in this build and tell me what you guys think. Like, should I leave it alone? Should I LS swap it? Interior, different paint? I don't know. I really like that. And so make sure you guys stay tuned, comment below, tell me what you guys think. But, you know, here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.